fake hair today. Oh my god, let's go. I used this for testing, but now not. Okay?
Nabili mo na ba? Hindi pa. Ay, hindi ko wala na iisip.
Oh my. Oh shoot. So here's the final look of after cutting a million times.
Mag-tiktok tayo doon ko eh. Bago pa, ayoko.
Part 2.
Ito talaga ito pagtapos.